In 1969, Codex Alimentarius issued a document entitled General Principles of Food Hygiene with the code CAC RCP1 1969, and it is more often referred as Codex HACCP. This founding document has just been revised for the fifth time on September 25, 2020. Previous version was revision 4 issued in 2003. This guideline is called the General Principles of Food Hygiene and it includes food hygiene practices GHPs and HACCP system. So in next 4 minutes I am going to give you summary of some of the major changes made in this new version. Welcome back to Pure Learning Hub, where you find interesting, short and easy to understand videos on quality and food safety. So change number 1. This new version is structured in more organized way. Previously, HACCP standard had 10 sections and then they have certain annexures at the end includes HACCP system, definitions and HACCP diagrams. Now in new version, they have basic initial information include introduction, objective, scope, roles, general principles and definitions in the beginning. Then they have chapter number 1, that is good hygiene practices, and this chapter got 9 sections, includes basic GMPs. Then comes the chapter number 2, that is HACCP system and guidelines for its application, and this chapter includes 3 sections. Change number 2. The HACCP version adds allergen control. In previous version, allergens were not addressed and there was no point and guidelines to control allergen hazards. Change number 3. There are changes in some definitions and also added more terms. Previously, there were 12 terms and their definitions. Now, there are 32 terms with their definitions which are being used in this standard. Change number 4. Previously, an example of documented decision tree to identify CCPs was given. This version has not included the decision tree example at this stage. However, Cortex HACCP 2020 still makes reference to use a decision tree or other approach to identify critical control points. Change number 5. The section on training and competence has been reinforced. There are also some additional elements that are required to be considered when determining the extent of training required. Change number 6. One of the most significant changes is the inclusion of food safety culture, which can be found in the section titled Management Commitment to Food Safety. Change number 7. The requirement for a traceability product tracing system is a new requirement added in Codex HACCP 2020, which was previously missing. Change number 8. Maintenance and sanitation is named as establishment, maintenance, cleaning, disinfection and pest control and included in chapter 1 section 5. Change number 9. Visitor control element is more detailed now, includes control on all other persons from outside the establishment. Change number 10. A new term, food business operator, is being used in a complete guideline referring the entity responsible for operating a business at any step in the food chain. Change number 11. Critical limits, which is step 8 and principle number 3, requires validated critical limits. The term validated is newly added. However, it has always been understood that the critical limits should be validated. Change number 12. Verification procedure, which is step number 11 and principle number 6, is now divided into two parts. Number 1 is validation of the HACCP plan and number 2 is verification procedure. Hope this video gives you some basics information about the updates in Codex HACCP 2020. Please like, comment and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.